My name is Ramzi Fawaz. I'm going to be joining everybody at Esalen between June 1st and June 5th for my workshop titled The Thrill of Groundlessness, Flowing Through Life Without Absolutes. This workshop is for anybody that is really interested in gaining a whole variety of tools, a whole toolkit for responding to the world's uncertainty, its unpredictability. Uncertainty can be one of the most negative aspects of a chaotic world. It can also be a description of the world's enchanted nature, the fact that you don't know what's going to happen next, that anything is possible. We're going to think about how to live with open heartedness. And we're going to also look at psychedelic ways of thinking about the world, about letting the unpredictability of our feeling states in our body kind of lead us to new directions. Participants of the workshop can expect a really intimate conversational environment. Every day, we will do very short readings in a variety of fields. Pop psychology, cultural studies, philosophy, critical theory, that treat different aspects of what it means to be a person as open-ended and open to change and malleable. We'll read some of the philosophy of Alan Watts. We'll look at some of the work of the queer theorist Judith Butler. We'll think about women of color feminists like Gloria Anzaldúa. And every day we will, after we do some of those readings, we'll sit together and we'll talk through those ideas. We'll see how they apply to our lives. What we'll do is we'll use the Esalen's campus to imagine how the natural world, the natural environment, the gardens, the grass, the ocean, which are always changing, always transforming, can offer us a way to live with groundlessness, with the idea that every time we think we have an identity, every time we have landed on a set of politics, every time we think we know how to control our feelings, the world sort of drops out from beneath us. And Esalen's ever-changing environment can provide us a cocoon, a sort of provisional space for learning to live with the ground falling out from underneath us.